Sabog-sabog na yung pare pero also ng country eh. Dahil sa pinagagawa niya.
We'll get some impressions from Architect Mike. Mike?
Ha? Saan ako nagsalita?
Hindi, wala ka pa dito eh. For this, we're inside ano to? Yung,
Ay, very
what do you call this coffee shop?
Belly fat. Belly love.
Belly Love
Belly fat.
coffee shop, no? So, this a place that we found to be very, ano to, aesthetically design, appealing. So, I observe Architect Mike about ano to, yung combination of some ano to, mga architectural mga elements. Ano yung what can you say about how this coffee shop was built or is being built?
I believe this was a former structure that is already